त्यागी, भविष्य दृष्टा और भारत के सच्चे सपूत अबुल पाकिर जैनुल आबदीन अब्दुल कलाम, यानी हम सबके प्रिय डॉक्टर कलाम, एक ऐसी शख्सियत जो सिर्फ कोरी आशावादिता पर नहीं बल्कि ठोस विचारों पर अमल कर भारत की तरक्की की हर मुमकिन पहल करते थे। भारत के 11वें राष्ट्रपति के रूप में उन्होंने भारत की सोच को अग्नि की उड़ान दी। युवाओं, बच्चों, महिलाओं में देश के लिए कुछ कर गुजरने का जज्बा भरा। वैसे तो डॉक्टर कलाम पूरे देश के लोगों के लिए एक प्रेरणा स्रोत थे, पर लखनऊ से उनका कुछ खास नाता था। जब भी कोई अवसर मिलता वो लखनऊ आने को हमेशा तैयार रहते। आइए तस्वीरों के माध्यम से जानते हैं कि लखनऊ की सरजमी से कैसा नाता रहा डॉक्टर कलाम का। में लखनऊ विश्वविद्यालय के दीक्षांत समारोह में डॉक्टर कलाम ने शिरकत की और युवाओं से मुखातिब हुए। उनकी बातें सुनी और अपने प्रेरक विचार युवाओं से साझा किए। इसी तरह जब 2013 में वो राष्ट्रीय पुस्तक मेले में शिरकत करने पहुंचे तो पुस्तक मेले में मानो जन सैलाब सा उमड़ पड़ा। अपने प्रिय डॉक्टर कलाम साहब से मिलने और उन्हें देखने को हर कोई आतुर था। किताबों को खरीदने का एक नया रिकॉर्ड बना। डॉक्टर कलाम ने लोगों से अधिक पढ़ने और पुस्तकों को संग्रहित करने का आह्वान किया। बच्चों से कलाम साहब का अगाध लगाव था। वो जब भी मौका पाते खुद को बच्चों के बीच जाने से न रोक पाते। 2010 में लखनऊ के मिलेनियम स्कूल में डॉक्टर कलाम ने ढेर सारा वक्त बच्चों के साथ गुजारा। बच्चों की बातें सुनी, अपने विचार उनके सामने रखे, बच्चों की किताबें देखी, उनकी तोतली बोली को समझकर उनके प्यारे सवालों के जवाब दिए। एक परमाणु वैज्ञानिक के अंदर एक कला साहित्य का प्रेमी भी बसता था। डॉक्टर कलाम खुद भी संगीत में पारंगत थे और कला साहित्य की गहरी समझ रखते थे। 2013 में वो लखनऊ लिटरेरी कार्निवाल में आए तो लोगों से उन्होंने कला, साहित्य, संस्कृति और संगीत से जुड़ी ढेर सारी बातें साझा की। डॉक्टर कलाम एक सच्चे कर्मयोगी और राष्ट्रभक्त थे। उनका पूरा जीवन ही राष्ट्र की सेवा में समर्पित रहा था। उत्तर प्रदेश की तरक्की के लिए भी वो गहरी सोच रखते थे। उत्तर प्रदेश के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री अखिलेश यादव के साथ डॉक्टर कलाम अक्सर प्रदेश के विकास को लेकर विचार विमर्श करते रहते थे। 12 मई 2015 को डॉक्टर कलाम ने श्री अखिलेश यादव के साथ प्रदेश की विकास नीति पर घंटों चर्चा की और प्रदेश सरकार द्वारा गरीबों और महिलाओं के लिए किए जा रहे कार्यों की सराहना की। एक सच्चे राष्ट्रभक्त, एक कर्मयोगी, एक विद्वान और उन सब से बढ़कर एक बेमिसाल इंसान के रूप में आने वाली पीढ़ियां डॉक्टर कलाम से प्रेरणा लेती रही।
if you want to shine like the sun, you have to burn like the sun. This is what he told me when he came to my class and sat next to me. How can I forget that day? 8th October 2010 it was. I was in class 7th back then. That day, his words sank deep into my heart and motivated me time to time. I started reading about him, about his books, his life, his struggles, his vision, and he became my inspiration. He became my inspiration not only because of what he did for our country, but also because of how a boy from a town of Rameshwaram emerged as a visionary the world has ever produced. His claim to success was by merit alone. His unprecedented popularity stands on the basis of only his simplicity and dedication to work. He, fighting against all odds, emerged a successful leader, a successful visionary. And still at that level, he called himself a learner. A great soul has departed. A visionary has departed. But his words remain immortal. For once he said, do not declare a holiday when I die, but work a day extra. I would like and request all of you to join hands. Not to pray, I repeat, not to pray, but to work and make his dream, his vision 2020 come true. As a student, I have started a community. I would like all of you to join me there, and I want to take his vision 2020 forward. I would like all of you to join with me on Facebook. I have a page by Dr. Kalam, my inspiration. I am working for the government schools near my locality with my friends and improving the quality of education, the standard which is given to those children. And I hope when we all come together and take a step forward together, we'll change things. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
To pay homage to one of the greatest citizens of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I am Mehul Rastogi from the Millennium School. You know, I consider myself very lucky because I got to interact with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in my lifetime when he visited my school. You know, I remember that day when he came to our class and sat with us and saw a PPT on the universe. It was as if he was a teacher. He was a teacher amongst us who was teaching us about the universe. It was a memorable moment for me. And I remember when he addressed the crowd, it was as if time had stopped. It was just Dr. Kalam and his words. You know, Dr. Kalam never spoke anything complicated. He kept his speech simple. But it was so inspiring that, you know, it shook me to the core. It inspired me so much that today I am pursuing my career in sciences because of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And as everyone has said, he was very affectionate towards children, and that was clearly visible because after he finished his speech, he came and sat with us children in the audience like a spectator. You know, he truly epitomizes Rudyard Kipling's words that even after being such a great man, he could still walk with the common people. That was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And I'd just like to end by saying a few words said by Dr. Kalam himself, that difficulties never come to destroy us. They come so that we can realize our hidden potential and talent. And we should let difficulties know that we too are difficult. Jai Hind.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मेहुल. सान्या तो एक ही बात है.
Good evening, Lucknow. I am Sania Lakhanpal, a student of the Millennium School, Lucknow. I was very young when I got the opportunity to meet Dr. Kalam. I was too young to appreciate that what I have got from the Millennium School from Dr. Kalam. I don't really well remember what happened, but memories when he was with me is very well in my mind. I still remember when he kept his hand on my shoulder. The moment he kept his hand on my shoulder, the moment he asked me my name and spoke to me by length, regardless of his security and personnel asking him to move through all these things. I'm really thankful to the Millennium School for helping me, our principal, Dr. Manjula Goswami, for giving me this opportunity for talking to Dr. Kalam. Thank you. Jai Hind.
वाह, थैंक यू वेरी मच सान्या.